Hello, good morning, students. For this section in your exam, you're gonna play this audio, this video, and you can pause to write the words. So we continue in the number 11 to 20. I'm going to make the dictation. That's not necessary that you start tell words with capitalization. So start with lowercase. Vamos a empezar con minúsculas. That's not necessary that you use capital letters. Aquí no es necesario utilizar mayúsculas. 11. Algorithm. 12. Analysis. 13. Machine. 14. Artificial intelligence. 15. Program. 16. Assembly line. 17. Implant. 18. Humanoid. 19. Nanorobot. 20. Prototype. For the section number 3, you are going to write your own sentences. So here, if you don't write the first word of the sentence with capital letter or a period at the end, your sentence will be incorrect, even if it was structured correctly. Recuerda, si no escribes la primera palabra de la oración con mayúscula y no utilizas punto final, tu oración estará incorrecta, aunque esté bien estructurada. So continue working in your own sentence for number 21 to 25. When you finish, submit your exam.